A video about this here snowblower, a standard Toro 1-stage or 2-cycle snowblower. One of the big issues with these is the fact that these wheels start wearing out. It's not a very good design, so you're seeing a whole lot of play in these wheels. Now, I already started taking this apart, but I wanted to show you. You just simply, I'm going to show you how you can tighten these up. So the first thing you do is you have to wiggle off this nut, or twist it and wiggle it. Get that little nut off of there. Then you remove the wheel. Okay. If we come over here, what I devised is a way of actually getting these repaired using standard copper tubing, kind you find at the hardware store. I believe this is 1/2 inch type L. And all I did was I cut it to the size of the depth of the wheel. So basically just use a hacksaw, make it about, in this case, 1.5 inches. I also did put a couple of cuts in the side, and you'll see what that's for. That's actually to keep it from turning once I have it in the wheel itself. Now, the next step of the process is actually to heat this so that it can melt it into the wheel. So that diameter is roughly 5/8 now after it's been wore out. And that's roughly the diameter of this. So we can just press this into the wheel with a little bit of heat. I'm actually going to heat it with the torch. Put it on this 1/2 inch bolt to hold it. And I already have the wheel kind of staged in here as well. So let me go ahead and heat this little. Get it nice and warm. And then I'm hoping I can pull this next part off and still with the video, because I'm only doing it one hand. Let's say it's heated. At this point, you simply pull the wheel onto it. And that's it. So I'm just letting it harden up here, letting it cool. Now, you know, the reason I did all of this, I mean, it didn't take all that long to do it, and it saved me a ton of money, because these wheels, if you ever price them, are probably about $15 or $18 or more. But in this case, I can simply pick up a piece of pipe for a couple of dollars, cut a couple of pieces out of it, and, you know, for just pennies, I can have these wheels fixed. So let's see how well we did. I'm going to take the wheel over here and put it on the snowblower. And as you'll see, there's hardly any play in this wheel at all. So it's that easy.